Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very important aspect of research, that is data management plan. The importance behind it, why we should have a data management plan in our research, during our research work, and even after that. First of all, research is something which requires proof, and proof is very necessary because it plays a very important role in validating your work. So even if anybody is questioning your research work, that this might not be the possibility, then you can show the data. Using the data, you can get your research work validated, right? So you may prove anybody wrong who is questioning your particular research work, right? So that is why data management plan today is very important, right? Now, how can you plan a data management, right? How can you plan to manage your data? So first of all, you'll have to understand how to store your data. Yeah. And it should be a plan, not only storing the data during your research work, but also after completing your research work, right? And that should be at least for 10 years after completing the work. All right. So you'll have to plan it in that way, right? Now, the best data management plan blueprint can be prepared using DHP Online. DHP Online. All right. You can just go there, you can create an account, you can log in, right, and start making it. So you'll have to keep changing it time to time. Whenever there is kind of amendment required in your data management plan, you can just log in again and change it. So you'll have to keep a track, so you know your data management plan, right? Then you need to store the data, whatever data you is being created by you during the work. You'll have to store, even if you are having a data that is not much useful for you or for your work, store even that one. It's very important, right? Now you'll have to store the data at multiple places. Now, which are these multiple places? First of all, flash drives like external hard disk, you can store there. On your own system like laptop or your home PC, your home personal computer, you can store it there. Then your personal cloud storage, there are so many cloud storage today available. Some of them are like Google Drive, you can save it there, right? Then on a cloud storage that is visible to everyone searching for it, right, and can download it from there. The best example for it is GitHub. Store your data there and make it visible, only the relevant data. I'm not saying that you even have to store the data which are not important. Those who are not important can be with you in a hard disk or with your personal computer or on your cloud storage, right? But only the relevant data can be on GitHub. From there everyone can download it and can take it as a reference. That validates your data, right? So it's very important to have a GitHub account as well. So if you are a researcher, have a GitHub account. Then keep storing all the data generated. Whenever there is a data generated, store it right there. I'm not saying store it on GitHub only store it when at GitHub only store it when the work that you have done is complete and is published, then store it. But apart from GitHub, you'll have to store your data everywhere that I mentioned, like cloud storage, your personal computer, your personal laptop, your own hard disks or flash drives, right? And of course you'll be storing it on your working PC. All right. Then you'll have to keep your work authenticated to avoid any problem in future. Any problem you face in future, this data will help you to validate that your work is genuine and you did it with all ethical practices, right? So nobody can question you. Data management plan is for that. Whatever you have published, you can actually get validated using the, the data that you have stored, the programs that you have stored, the experiments that you have stored, the photos, the video recordings, everything you can do. So have a good data management plan, store your data, and secure your future, right? Thank you very much. This was a very short video, and it's a very important video. Doesn't matter how short it is, it is a very important video. Take it very seriously and enjoy storing your data. Thank you very much.